There hiccups, Amelia? They were this fast when you were in my tummy, too. Seems annoying. Are you holding him in? What are you doing now? Two ninja hands? Crazy hair, too. Let me put that down. Doesn't go down. Okay, well, we'll just keep it. We'll just keep it.
Yeah, Pablo fight it once again.